Hey there my drone loving friends, today we're taking a look at yet another release from DJI, introducing the DJI Mini 4 Pro. In the last year alone, we've seen DJI has had a number of releases including the Inspire 3, Air 3, and Mavic 3 Pro, all of which we looked at before and you can learn more about in the links below. With the Mini 4 Pro, DJI is, in their own words, taking Mini to the max, with improvements to the camera functionality, safety features, transmission, and overall, the flight experience. On the outside, the Mini 4 Pro does not seem very different from the 3 Pro, but there's actually quite a lot to talk about. Let's start with the sensor. The Mini 4 Pro features the same 1 1/3 inch CMOS sensor as the Mini 3 Pro, and the 24mm f1.7 lens capable of 48 megapixel photos. But on the video side, things are pretty different. The Mini 4 Pro is capable of shooting up to 4K 60fps and 1080 60fps in normal video modes, but is now capable of 4K 100fps and 1080 200fps in slow motion mode. This is a pretty big step up in frame rates for a drone of this size. And to sweeten the deal even more, the Mini 4 Pro has also added HLG and D-Log M color profiles for shooters who want maximum flexibility to color grade their footage. Those are recorded in H.265 video formats, while H.264 is available for normal color profiles. And just a note, Cine Like D is no longer an option as it was in the Mini 3 Pro. The Mini 4 Pro has a 3x digital zoom while shooting in 4K, and a 4x zoom while shooting in full HD. For photos, the zoom is only 2x in 12 megapixel shooting, and not usable all when shooting at 48 megapixels. The camera on the Mini 4 Pro also allows for better performance when shooting in low light situations due to its dual native ISO fusion. It also has added support for night shooting with the night shots feature, which increases the ISO range and uses noise reduction algorithms to produce clean footage with less noise. And like the previous model, the Mini 4 Pro is capable of true vertical shooting with all the same video functionalities, and the gimbal can tilt up and down to create more dynamic shots using the controller. The Mini 4 Pro is flown using the DJI RC-N2 or RC2, which we have here. And that could only mean one thing. The Mini 4 Pro is equipped with DJI's new 04 transmission system, which gives us improved anti-interference capabilities, stable video transmissions, and a cleaner live view feed at 1080 60fps. The controller utilizes the DJI Fly app to connect controller to drone, and that's where you can customize all your camera and safety controls along with your intelligent features. Like the Mini 3 Pro, the 4 Pro offers active track, hyperlapse, master shots, quick shots, and panorama, but it's also added waypoint flight and cruise control. Now, while many of the other features have been around for a while, waypoint is a bit newer. So for those of you who are a bit unfamiliar, it basically allows you to create a flight path in which you set points and the drone will recreate automatically without manual control. Cruise control is a feature that essentially allows the drone to maintain a consistent flight speed to allow the user to focus more on the other controls. The Mini 4 Pro is the first mini drone with omnidirectional sensing. The 6 sensors are capable of sensing possible objects in all directions. This is achieved by adjustments to the sensor's positioning, though you still need to be careful with things such as wires, twigs, and thin items that the sensor may not detect. This is coupled with APAS 5.0, which gives pilots assistance while flying, helping to bypass obstacles so they do not interfere with your shot. In addition, the Mini 4 Pro now has 3D thermal sensing on the bottom, which you may be familiar with from the Mavic series. Also on the other side is an auxiliary light to give you a better visual of your drone at night, as well making it safer to land in nighttime scenarios. The drone completely built is 249 grams, which is under the limit needed to register drones. It can fly up to 34 minutes or up to 47 minutes when using the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, which also increases its overall weight. And it's important to note the DJI Intelligent Battery and Intelligent Battery Plus from the Mini 3 and the Mini 3 Pro line are usable in the Mini 4 Pro. But, and here's where it gets a little bit confusing, the Mini 4 Pro batteries are not usable in the Mini 3, but are in the Mini 3 Pro. Also to note, though the camera sensor is the same size as the Mini 3 Pro, it will require all new accessories such as ND filters, as they won't fit this new model. Overall, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is a great leap forward in mini drone capabilities and also safety. Mini drones are generally most people's first drone. Well, I know for me it was. And with that, you want to know it will be safe. With the omnidirectional sensors, the Mini 4 Pro ensures that. It also ensures you will have the ability to create amazing content whether you're a hobbyist or a professional. Honestly, for a drone this size to shoot 4K 100fps, have intelligent features, vertical shooting, high quality images, all while being smaller than my hand, I'm quite blown away. This is easily my first choice drone for any trips now on. So that's our first look at the DJI Mini 4 Pro. Where do you think you'll fly yours? Tell us in the comments below. I'm Joe with B&H, and you keep flying.